Hi, this is Tim with OS College, and this is a quick video about Google Sheets, the spreadsheet editor for Google's Office applications. In this video, we're going to be looking at protecting a range of cells so only you can edit them, and those who you share the document with cannot change the certain range of cells. So the first thing to do is select the desired range of cells, and I'm just going to do all these cells in this latest order section. So click the top cell, hold my left mouse button, and select most of them so that they're all selected. Then I go to Tools, the Tool menu, and the drop down I go to Protect Sheet. It brings up a panel on the right side. I'm going to enter a description for this. Just call it latest orders, and I'm going to select the ranged tab, and it shows in sheet 1 cells A2 through, and I've actually got this past orders date in there, but we'll go ahead and leave it. So cells A2 through N23, that block of cells is what I desire to protect, and I just simply click Set Permissions. And since I've already shared the document with someone else, this dialog appears, and by default it goes to Custom. However, I want to do it for only you, which is me, which is this OS College account rather than the Timothy Dana account. And then you can go Done. Changes are saved. So I've put the OS College account in Safari, and so I can make changes to it easily. But if I switch to the other person's account, which I'm writing in a web browser called Opera, and let's say I'm going to try and add, you can see the 5 that I added that OS College added, but Timothy Dana is going to try and add a last name, and which I'm going to try. As I start to type, this dialog comes up and says there was a problem. You're trying to edit a protected cell or object, etc. So it protects what OS College did to protect the cell. Does not allow Timothy Dana to edit that section. However, I can simply add numbers to or data to a cell in an unprotected area under the Timothy Dana account. And that's basically an overview of how to protect a range of cells in Google Sheets. This quick video from OS College has been about protecting cells in a Google Sheets spreadsheet, so only you can change and edit those selected cell range, not others you are sharing the document with. Be sure to click subscribe and like on this video to receive notifications of future videos about Google Sheets, as well as other Office applications. You can watch more videos about Google Sheets and other Office applications on the OS College YouTube channel. There are even more videos, articles, and other information at oscollege.com, OS College's website. Also check out the OS College Facebook page. Quick videos are roughly 2 to 5 minute videos that cover a particular aspect of an application. Thank you for watching.